Welcome to Gears of Time, your visual guide to clockwork mechanics. Prepare to be amazed by the intricate world that powers our timepieces. Let's begin our journey into the fascinating realm of clockwork. Clockwork refers to the intricate system of gears, springs, and levers that work in harmony to measure and display time. It's mechanical precision in its purest form. From ancient water clocks to medieval mechanical marvels, the evolution of clockwork has been a testament to human ingenuity and our quest to conquer time. Now, let's explore the fundamental building blocks of any clockwork mechanism. Gears are the backbone of clockwork, transmitting motion and force. Different types, like spur and bevel gears, each serve unique functions to ensure precise movement. Springs act as the power source, storing potential energy and releasing it gradually to drive the gears. This controlled release is crucial for consistent timekeeping. The escapement is the time-regulating heart of the clock. It controls the release of energy from the spring, ensuring a steady, rhythmic movement of the gears and hands. Now let's see how these components come together to make time tick. Energy from the main spring is transferred through a series of gears. Each gear rotation contributes to the movement of the hands, from seconds to minutes and hours. The escapement's precise, oscillating motion provides the steady beat for the clock, preventing the gears from spinning freely and ensuring accurate time measurement. Clockwork isn't just about telling time, it's about pushing the boundaries of mechanical art. From the delicate movements of a wristwatch to the grand scale of a clock tower, clockwork mechanisms vary greatly in size and complexity, each designed for its specific purpose. Advanced clockwork often features, quote, complications, additional functions beyond basic timekeeping, like moon phases, perpetual calendars, or chronographs, showcasing incredible mechanical artistry. We've reached the end of our journey. Let's reflect on what makes clockwork so special. The beauty of clockwork lies in its ingenious design and the precision with which tiny components work together. It's a testament to human innovation and the enduring appeal of mechanical wonders. Even in our digital age, the principles of clockwork mechanics are vital in many fields, from scientific instruments to robotics, proving its continued relevance and timeless ingenuity.